Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jameson, and this is how I cook. What if there was something that you could put into nearly any recipe that you have that would make your food taste better? Up next, I'm gonna show you one of the secrets to improving your cooking at home, a secret that I use in my kitchen every single day. That's right, I'm gonna show you guys how to make your own ground black pepper fresh for every dish that you need black pepper for. So up next on This Is How I Cook, I'm gonna get you to throw away that red and white can of pepper in your pantry and make your own fresh ground pepper. So guys, I got a few things I'm gonna ask you to do before I show you how to make this black pepper. Do me a favor, hit that subscription button, like this video, and drop me a comment. Let me know if you make your own pepper at home or if you've ever seen somebody show you how to make black pepper. So here is my spice mill. This is nothing but a small Hamilton Beach coffee grinder that I got from Walmart. And so I take my peppercorns and I put them inside of here, and then I hit the button, and that's where the magic happens. So I'm gonna start with this container that I'm gonna put my black pepper into. And you can see these peppercorns, right? You see how small these are? This is where your black pepper comes from. And so I'm using this container as my measuring cup because I know that I'm gonna put the black pepper into the container. And so you just take your time and do like I did and spill your black peppercorns all over your counter. But that aside, once you got your grinder full, hit the button. And as you can see, you've already got cracked pepper. You keep going, you're gonna have ground pepper. So what's nice about grinding your own pepper at home is that you can control the texture of the pepper. And so if you keep going, right, you can get even finer version of the ground pepper. But this is my general purpose ground pepper that I make fresh at home. Now let's take this and put it into our container, and then you just store that so that, hey, you've got fresh pepper anytime you need fresh pepper. And this is our fresh ground black pepper. So let's say that you want fine ground pepper and you want coarse ground pepper. So when you make your own pepper at home, you can grind it however you want to control the texture of the pepper. And so what I like to do is grind some of the pepper together and get my fresh ground black pepper together the way I have, and then I filter it through a strainer. So we take all that pepper and add it into our strainer, and then we just take our strainer and we tap it over a bowl so that we can collect all the fine pepper that's passing through. This coarse pepper that's left here, this is your coarse ground black pepper. See the texture of this ground pepper? That's your coarse ground pepper. Now, if you want all fine ground pepper, put this back into your spice mill or your coffee grinder and grind this down until you get fine black pepper. So you can see in here, all this pepper is your fine ground pepper. And that is how you get coarse ground pepper versus fine ground pepper. So the last thing I like to do is put my black pepper in an airtight container. Something big enough to keep a good bit of pepper, but something small enough to make it easy to get it out of my spice cabinet or off my counter. And these little glass ramekins, they do a great job. And that is your fresh ground black pepper, as easy as 1, 2, 3. So here we go, guys. Here's our fresh ground black pepper. You saw how easy that was. I took some peppercorns, some black peppercorns, put them into a spice mill, AKA a cheap coffee grinder. I ground those black peppercorns until I got the texture of the peppercorns the way that I wanted. I even filtered out the coarse ground black pepper so that the fine ground black pepper can pass on through. And then I ground up the rest of those coarse pieces of black pepper to make my fine ground black pepper at home. Guys, take that red and white can, please, out of your pantry. That red and white can that's been there since 1973, and throw it away and make some fresh some fresh ground black pepper. Guys, I'm Jameson, and this really is how I cook. Until the next time, guys, you guys be good. Do me a favor, drop me a comment. Do you have one of those little red and white cans of black pepper in your pantry? And if not, have you ever thought about making your own ground black pepper at home? Until next time, guys, peace. Throw that can away, please.